Hello everybody, it's Brian for GadgetUnit.com, and in this video I'll be taking a look at the ASUS ZenBook Flip model number UX461FA-IS74T. This is a pretty well-spec'd 2-in-1 portable computer that's available from Costco. That is where this particular unit came from. The full specs and pricing information at the time of doing this video is available in the description. So let's go and get right into the unboxing. So pretty basic packaging from ASUS on this one, at least on the outside. There's likely another box on the inside. Here is the main box for the ZenBook Flip itself. There's nothing on any of the other sides, so I'm going to go ahead and take the plastic wrapping off and get into this box. So the first thing we are greeted with, well, two things. We've got the wall charger. Fortunately, this uses a barrel plug and not a USB-C charger. That way your actual USB ports are freed up. I believe this is also a 45-watt power brick, pretty compact as well. Next we have the ZenBook Flip itself. I'm going to put that off to the side just for now so we can see if there's anything else included. Looks like that might actually be it. Yep, so no stylus included, which was partially to be expected since the Costco product listing did not mention that, although it would have been nice to see. We've got some documentation, so this is a quick user guide, while this is a warranty card. The good thing about purchasing this from Costco is that it comes with a 1-year accidental damage protection plan, straight from ASUS. Here we have the ZenBook Flip itself. Time to take it out of its plastic wrapping. And here we go. Really nice lid. The spiral design is something that ASUS has sort of championed over the recent years, so this looks quite nice in person. This was one of those laptops that I was sort of hesitant in terms of the design of it. It seems to be one of those that's best seen in person. Some of the photos kind of looked nice, some of them not so much. Might as well take a quick look at I/O. So on the left side we have ventilation. Try and get my camera to focus a little bit better. Anyway, ventilation, USB type A, power indicator, volume up and down, power. Moving on to this side where a lot of the action is, we've got a microSD card slot, USB type C, 3.0 Gen 1, so 5 gigabits per second. On the side it says it only supports data transfers, but if it's anything like my ASUS T304, it does support display out, as well as charging, so I will test those things. You have a combo headphone microphone port, another USB type A 3.0 port, a full-size HDMI port, as well as the power in. Let's go ahead and take a look at the bottom. Pretty minimalist overall. Hopefully any screws that you might need to access are not under the rubber feet. And now let's go ahead and open it up. Of course, now after seeing the dark color scheme in person, I'm definitely getting behind it pretty quickly. We have a keyboard. Haven't really used an ASUS keyboard aside from the ASUS T304 detachable keyboard, which I actually liked quite a bit. Touchpad so far doesn't really require much effort to press, but the click itself feels fairly even throughout the trackpad. My preliminary testing, no rattling so far, which was a big pet peeve of mine and pretty much every other laptop around. So looking forward to testing that as well. Of course, this is a convertible, so you're able to flip this around into a presentation mode, like so. And you can also flip it around into tablet mode, like so. Or you can just fold the screen flat, like that. And that's why I'm really interested in these convertible computers, because you just get so much usability out of the screen that you have. If you stumble upon this video and there's anything you'd like me to try and test out, I can see what I can do. Just leave a comment below. I'm currently not planning on doing any follow-up content for this particular laptop, but if there are enough comments, I might do so, or I'll just go ahead and address those comments on a one-off, on a per-comment basis, so definitely leave any questions below if you have any. That's it with the video. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you all in the next one.